Merry Christmas, everyone. This is Brody, the Ford Taurus fan 2001 here. Today is in-depth review. Let's give you an in-depth look at this 2011 Chevrolet Aveo. And today, I'm going to give you a full in-depth review of the Aveo. We'll start the engine, show it off, go through some of the performance details, show you a bunch of features on the inside as well as the outside. And so, without further ado, let's start her up, let her run. This vehicle also has remote start. I don't want to demonstrate it anyways, but we'll just move on. The color of the exterior is black. With black cloth interior. Never actually done an Aveo. This is my first time. We'll fire it up.
That's the most we could expect.
114,800 kilometers. Roll down the window. 3-spoke or 4-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. Little type power steering. Yeah, as you can see, there's a steering wheel cover on it. Horn selected by the 2 buttons here. 4-speed automatic transmission. I don't want to shift it anyways, but anyways. Handbrake. Not bad. So we're gonna flip on the headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Walk around the outside. So never ever in my life I've ever done an Aveo before. This is my first time. Puller tracks and 2 tires. So this is the LC model. We'll pop the hood. Hold on.
What's the puddle there, buddy? Yeah.
Me? I could do it.
You can do it? Okay. There you go. Yeah, where's the
So this has an Ecotec 4-cylinder.
There you go. You can let go of the hood now. Get some dirt on your fingers now, eh?
Yeah.
Undercoating.
Gotta love the sound of that Ecotec 4-cylinder.
Sounds pretty smooth, doesn't it, for a little engine?
Yeah.
Yep.
I think he has to close the hood on this one.
Okay. There we go.
It's just the
Jeff.
that's just the Puggo up there. Oh. Now we'll review the interior, shall we? I gotta be careful opening the door because I don't want to scratch the paint. Oh. So your turn signals. And your clock is located right there. And your fan speed. Leave it just like that. Your temperature. Oh, ever see how she sounds? Gotta love it. And your manual recliner seat. And this aveo comes with the arms rest. This aveo comes with the armrest. And your glove box. Your cup holders. Don't think this one has storage opener because I'm looking. Nope. This one does not come with the opener storage. And your radio.
That is most abundant this time of year.
Oh yeah. Your power mirrors are located right here. I love Chevy, man. This ain't one bad vehicle. Guess this one does not have power door locks. Because I'm seeing. Nope. No fog. No. Does this car have power locks?
You know what? I don't think it does.
Oh, so it has manual locks.
It does have power locks, but I don't know where the button is, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyways, we'll go ahead and shut her off. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the in-depth look at this 2011 Chevrolet Aveo LT. Make sure you stay tuned for next review and have a great Christmas.